Hello guys, welcome to Techavro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video, I'm gonna walk through how you can sign a doc on iPhone. So to sign a doc, at first I'm going to Files, and after going to Files, I'm choosing this PDF. And after choosing this PDF, in the bottom right side here you can see there is a pen icon. Click on it, and after that in the bottom left side, just choose the first pen, and you can just choose the font size. And after choosing the font size, if you want to just give the signature, just signature by your finger like this. You can minimize by clicking the top this icon, and you can just do it again. And after that, click the top right done, and by doing that you can just send it to anyone through Gmail. You need to just put the email and attach file. If you cannot do it in PDF or any other JPG or PNG files, you can just take a screenshot of it, and you can just able to do it by this pen icon and selecting the pen. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find it helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.